Bitcoin just gave the clearest bottom signal here on the price chart, a signal that we have seen over a year now, and you don't want to miss this, because if you do, you are definitely going to regret it. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 4 different Bitcoin price charts here with different database, but they are all pointing at one single direction. So stick with me and watch this video to the end. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to talk about bullish setup on different altcoins. So subscribe to the channel and smash up the like button. Welcome to today's video. We're taking a look at the first BTC price chart here on the weekly time frame with the 20 SMA and the 100 SMA, which is the 20 moving average, which is on white, and the 100 simple moving average, which is the yellow line right here. This simple moving average has always predicted the bottom of each BTC bear market, and I'm going to prove that to you in a moment, because if we take a look at the past price action here, you can clearly see here in 2022 when we got this crossover here, as at this level, this was exactly where the capitulation kicks in into BTC price chart, and we easily printed the bottom of the bear market, which is at this level right here. And also, if we take a look at another price action here back in 2018, the same thing happened at this level right here. After we saw this white line here, which is the 20 simple moving average, fell below the yellow line here, which is the 100 simple moving average, we immediately printed the bottom of 2018 bear market. As you can see, let me highlight it for you. Currently here, this was where we got the crossover, and exactly the bottom was formed weeks later. And also back here in 2014, the same thing happened at the same level, and we got the bottom of the bear market. So right now, at this current condition, this current market condition we're at right now, though there has been a lot of uncertainty and a lot of things going on in the world right now, but as you can see, we just got the crossover at this level, and we are already getting the reaction of the bottom of BTC right here. So the question is history going to repeat at this level? Because if history repeats itself, we are definitely going to see the bottom of the bear market of BTC right at this level. Now let's jump into chart number 2. Here on chart number 2, we are taking a look at the BTC cost of production. In recent years, in previous bear market, this cloud right here, which is also known as cost of production of BTC, has always been a key level of support and also a bottom signal for BTC bear market. Whenever we goes to this cloud right here, or let me say whenever we hit or touch this cloud right here, this is usually where the bottom of the bear market is usually formed. Now let's take a look at some past price action. Right here back in 2024 July, we saw the price chart right here. We saw BTC price going into the cloud right here, and as you can see, this was exactly where the bottom was formed back in 2024, and we had a massive gold rally from this level right here. Now if we take a look at the bear market of 2022, the same thing happened at this level. After hitting the cloud right here, this was exactly where we got the bottom of the bear market, and what we saw next was a massive rally to the upside. And also during COVID-19, as you can see, because of the pandemic shock back then, we had BTC price goes below the cloud right here, and we immediately got a reversal to the upside. And as you can see, after hitting it here, we had a major massive rally to the upside. And also here in 2019, this was exactly where we also saw the bottom after we hit the cloud right here. So what am I trying to say here right now? In this current market condition, we are already at the cloud level here. We've touched the cloud level, and as you can see, we are also getting a bullish momentum right from this level here now. And in the past few weeks, we have been on this massive downtrend here, showing 6 red candles in a row. But now that we have touched and hit the cloud right here, we are beginning to see a green weekly candle after 6 consecutive red candles. So this is pointing to a bullish and a massive direction on the BTC price chart here. And if history should repeat itself, we are definitely going to see the bottom of the bear market right at this level. Now let's take a look at chart number 3. Taking a look at chart number 3 here on the daily time frame, as you can see, we had this triangle formation right here, and we consolidated in this triangle for a very long time, for like throughout the month of February, we had a consolidation inside this triangle right here, and now we just got a break above the triangle. If you watch my previous video, which is the update I made about this price chart yesterday, you will see where I said in order for this price formation to be valid, we need to hold above this level of support right here, sitting at the 67k, and currently that is exactly what we just did. After breaking above, we came back to a retest, and this level right here has been flipped to a massive level of support. And next thing we are currently seeing right now is that we are getting a bullish setup and a massive uptrend from this level right here. And the price target that I'm currently looking at on this price pattern right here is sitting at this current level here, which I have already drawn, sitting at the $75k level. So you can see all the price chart right here, they are all pointing to a bullish direction. And if we can get to this level here, this 75k level, the fear that is currently in the market will definitely disappear, and you will see a lot of bullish sentiment will resume on the price chart if we can get to this exact level right here. So as you can see, we are all screaming bullish and printing the bottom of this bear market right here. With that being said, let's take a look at chart number 4. Taking a look at chart number 4 here on the 4-hour price chart, as you can see, we have been in this massive consolidation phase, and this price action here took all of February. What we are going to talk about on the price chart here is this CME gap here that is currently laying above the current price of BTC, and I can assure you that 95% of all BTC CME gap always gets feeds. It's a matter of when it is going to be filled, because it is 95% guaranteed that we are definitely going to fill this CME gap right here. And the CME gap is currently sitting at this level here, this 84k level to 77k level. So as you can see, we are currently printing the bottom right here now, and if we can get a break into the CME gap here, take the CME gap, we are going to see a lot of volatility and a lot of interest into the entire crypto market. And now that you've seen the 4 price chart, what is your current opinion about the crypto market? Are we really getting the bottom formation right here? And also, are we going to see history repeat itself right here? Well, you can drop your opinion on the comment section. Tell me what you feel and what you are currently seeing on this different price chart that I have just shown you. Now, let's take a look at ETH's price chart. Right here on the daily time frame, in the past 24 hours, which is since our last update, nothing has really changed here on the ETH price chart here on the daily. We are still inside this triangle pattern right here, and we have unable to break above it. And as long as we remain in this price action here, we are looking very weak for the short term, and until we get a break above or a break below before we begin to see and know the current market condition that ETH is currently is. But here on ETH on the lower time frame, which is the 2 hours time frame, as you can see, we are still playing the same price pattern that we have seen over the past 24 hours. The only current update that I currently see right now is that we've just got this massive bullish candle here, like what we saw at this level. Like what I've been saying in my previous videos, until ETH make a decision to break above this level right here, then hold it as a key level of support, we are not going to see higher prices. Or if ETH should get a decision now and break below this level right here, then hold it as a key level of resistance, we might see ETH going into much more lower prices. So what I'm waiting for right now on this ETH price chart is to get a break above this level of resistance here, sitting at the $2,148, and this level here sitting at $1,800. If we get a break above $1,800, I'm definitely going to go short on ETH to grab the price movement on the short term. And also, if we get a break above this level here, the $2,148, I'm going to go long on ETH to grab the price movement of the ETH price right there. So as you can see, no more has changed until we get a decision either to break above here or to break above these levels. Now this will take us to the Solana price chart on the daily time frame. Here on the Solana price chart here, we are still looking very, very weak here on the daily time frame. No much has really changed since our last update. As you can see, we are still within this range here, just shopping and moving sideways in the past few weeks right here. All of September was in this sideways price movement, and now we are in March. And we are still currently within this level of and we are still within this level of price action here until I see Solana breaking above this level right here then hold it as a major key level of support before we begin to see higher prices. Or if we see Solana breaks below this level of support right here, then fail to get above it, then we are going to see much more lower prices on this Solana price chart here. I'll be talking about this level, like this level of resistance right here, sitting at $122 to $128, and also this level right here that is currently holding as a major level of support, sitting at the $75 to $77. Like what I just said, until we get a decisive price movement from Solana right here, we are going to remain within this sideways price action. And if we take a look at the XRP price chart here, XRP is still within this sideways price movement here. We have been in this level since February 5th, just moving and shopping around at this level. And until we get a decisive movement to break above this level, we are not going to see XRP moving much or giving us a decisive price movement. What I'm expecting from XRP this week is to get a move from this level right here, then take out this level of resistance, break above it, hold it as a key level of support, then we can begin to see much more higher prices. But with the price still lingering around this level of support, we are failing to go much more above it. We might definitely go below it and see much lower prices on the XRP price chart here. But what I'm looking at right here, as long as BTC is printing and giving a bullish sentiment right now, soon and very soon we are going to see altcoin performing very well. And now if we take a look at EDA price chart here on the daily time frame, not a lot have changed in the past 1 day. As you can see, we are still within this range right here. A few days back we got to this level of resistance here and we got rejected, and now we are back testing this level of support. And what we should be taking a look at and what we don't want to see here on the price chart is a break below this level of support right here, that is currently sitting at this level, the 22 cents to 25 cents. Because if we get a break below it here, we are going to see much more lower prices on the ADA price chart, like this level here. If you see a break below this level right now and fail to go back above it, we are going to test this major key level of support sitting at the 17 cents to this level here, 15 cents. And also if we fail to hold above here as well, we might see ADA going as low as 7 cents to 2 cents right here on the daily price chart. Like what I've been saying, there has been a lot of things and a lot of news going on in the world right now, and I believe that is one of the reasons why we are seeing this shopping price action here on different altcoin price chart. But immediately what is going on in the world right now cools down, and we saw a lot of money being printed into the economy in order to repair what has been damaged. We are going to see crypto market and mostly altcoins doing very well in the long run. So this is the update that we have concerning the crypto market today. If you have any question or you have any request, you can drop it on the comment section. And if you find this video very useful and informative, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up.